Refrigeration and Air Connection Technician, online lecture for Week 1 Part 2. Rescue Operation, First Aid Treatment, Artificial Respiration. How to rescue a person who is in contact with a live wire. Step 1. Stand on some insulating material such as dry wood, rubber or plastic or newspaper and then pull his shirt sleeves. However, you have to insulate yourself and break the contact by pushing or pulling the person free. Step 2. Avoid direct contact with the victim. Wrap your hands in dry material if rubber gloves are not available. If you remain uninsulated, do not touch the victim with your bare hands until the circuit is made dead or he is moved away from the equipment. If the victim is at a height, efforts must be taken to prevent him from falling or to make him fall safe. Step 3. If the casualty is unconscious but is breathing, loosen the clothing above neck, chest, and waist and place the casualty in the recovery position. Step 4. Keep a constant check on the breathing and pulse rate. Keep the casualty warm and comfortable in the recovery position. Send for help. First aid treatment. First aid is an emergency care given immediately to an injured person. The purpose of first aid is to minimize injury and future disability. In serious cases, first aid may be necessary to keep the victim alive. Disposal of waste material. Waste can be broadly classified as follows: rural waste, urban waste, which is further classified as solid waste or liquid waste, waste material in workshop. Method of disposal of waste: recycling, composing, landfilling, incineration, waste compaction, reuse, animal feed, firewood. Personal protective equipment. Personal protective equipments are the devices, equipment, or clothing used or worn by the employees as the last resort to protect against hazards in the workplace. Categories of PPEs. Depending upon the nature of hazard, the PPE is broadly divided into following two categories: non-respiratory, those used for protection against injury from outside the body, i.e., for protecting the head, eye, face, hand, arm, foot, leg, and other body parts. Respiratory, those used for protection from harm due to inhalation or contaminated air. Some major PPEs used in industries are: you can see your hat, you can see the mask, the boots, the gloves, the eye shield, another type of eye shield, and the kit. Guidelines of cleanliness of workshop and maintenance. Reason for cleaning the workplace is cleaning of dry floors, essentially to prevent slips and fall in the workplace. Infectants prevents the spread germs and illness because it will stop germs on their tracks. Proper air filtration reduces the exposures of hazardous substances like dust and vapors. Cleaning of light fixtures improve lighting efficiency using green cleaning product which is safer for both employees and the environment. Proper disposal of waste and recyclable materials keeps work areas clean. The five concept of S. Sort, clearly distinguish needed items from unneeded and eliminate the latter. Straighten, keep needed items in the correct place to allow for easy immediate retrieval. Shine, keep the workplace neat and clean. Standardize, the method by which sort, straighten, and shine are made habitual. Sustain, Maintain established procedures. We have reached the end of part 2. To study further, please watch part 3.